Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the column width and row height in Excel. So for us to get this done, we're just looking at this one right here. So the simplest way for us to do it is you can just actually hover over to that particular file, and then you can go ahead and just drag this one right here, and yeah, it's gonna change just like so. So that's the easiest way. Now you can also go ahead and apply that, say for example, to multiple cells like this one, and then I can go ahead and basically just choose the height that I want. Say for example, if it's gonna be 35 or 70 pixels, basically what's gonna happen is that all of those cells that I've chosen will have to be adjusted, or will be adjusted as well. Now it's going to be the same thing for the columns. You can go ahead and adjust it, and it's going to follow that one cell that you have chosen. So yeah, that's the easiest way. Now you can also go ahead and say highlight columns or cells, head over to format right here, and then you have the row height. You can click this one right here, and then you can go ahead and put the row height here. Say for example, if it's 15, hit OK, and you can see that the row height has changed to 15. You can say it went back. So yeah, that's the second thing. Now, what if, say, for example, it's going to be like this? There's a very big space here. You can head over to that particular column or row, and then you can see this plus sign right here, and then you can double click on that, and it's going to fit depending on the size of that particular cell. Still the same thing for the column. I'm going to go ahead and look for that particular edge until I see this plus sign, double click, and you can see that it fits. So yeah, let's go ahead and do it one more time, and there you go. So yeah, those are some of the ways in order for us to change the column width and row height in Excel.